In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DeepL on Microsoft Word 2024. DeepL tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to use the DeepL Chrome extension alongside your Word document to get fast, high-quality translations without installing a separate Word add-in. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type DeepL extension for Chrome. This is the quickest way to find the official browser extension that we'll use. In the results, look for the Chrome Web Store entry for DeepL. It should clearly mention that it's an extension for Chrome. Open that page to view the details, description, and permissions so you know you're adding the right tool. On the Chrome Web Store page, make sure the extension is added to your browser. If you don't see it installed yet, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Chrome will handle the download and install in a few seconds. Once it's installed, the extension icon will appear near your address bar. If you don't immediately see it, it's likely tucked behind the puzzle-shaped extensions icon. Now, go to your Word document. This approach works whether you're using Word on the web in your browser or the desktop app, because you'll copy and paste text into the DeepL extension. With your document open, switch back to your browser's toolbar, open the Extensions menu, and click the DeepL extension to bring up its translation window. The pop-up is lightweight and designed for quick text input. Back in your Word document, highlight the text you want to translate. Copy that selection, then return to the DeepL extension window and paste the text into the left-hand input area. DeepL will usually detect the source language automatically, but you can adjust it if needed. On the right side, choose the language you want to translate into. You'll see the translation appear almost immediately, and you can review it for tone and accuracy. A quick tip for better results: translate smaller sections at a time, especially if your document has headings, lists, or specialized terminology. This makes it easier to verify meaning and keep formatting consistent back in Word. Also, avoid pasting confidential content into any online service unless your organization's policies allow it. That's it. You've installed the DeepL Chrome extension, opened your Word document, copied the text you need, pasted it into DeepL, and selected your target language. From here, you're ready to use the translated text in your document as needed.